Welcome to the Search 2.0 India webinar. We will rate India specific search tasks in this session. We will mainly focus on relevance, but we will also rate name, address, and PIN accuracy in some of the tasks. So let's get started. This is our first task. The user query is ISKCON Crossroad. Viewport age is stale, which means the user location becomes the location intent, and the results are expected around the user location, which is in Ahmedabad. So let's find out if there is a ISKCON Crossroad available in Ahmedabad. Yes, there is a ISKCON Crossroad available in Ahmedabad. We now understand the user intent, which is to find a specific street. We can continue to rate this task further. The top level question is there a navigational result for this query? Since there is only one ISKCON Crossroad available in the real world that can satisfy the user intent, we will select this as yes. The result number 1 is ISKCON 4 Crossroad Water Distribution Center. The query is for a specific street, and the result is a water distribution center, which does not satisfy the user intent. We will rate the relevance as bad. We'll select user intent issue checkbox. Since we have rated the relevance as bad, we have to leave a comment. The comment should be something like the user intent is to find a specific state, while the result is a business which does not satisfy the user intent. We can continue to the next task. Here the query is Rawat Bhatta. Viewport age is fresh. User is located outside the fresh viewport. Let's find out what the query is about. As we can see, the Rawat Bhatta is a prominent city in Rajasthan. We now understand the user intent. We can continue to rate this task. The top level question is there a navigational result for this query? Since there is only one Rawat Bhatta city in Rajasthan, we should select yes for this question. We can continue to rate the results. Result number 1 is Rawat Bhatta itself, which is the same city the user is looking for. We will rate the relevance as navigational. Since we have rated the relevance as navigational, we don't need to leave any comment. Here the query is Jambi Port. The viewport age is fresh. User is located outside the viewport. But since the query seems to have a location modifier in it, we can just see what this query is about. Jambi Port, Indonesia. So this is a specific port located in Jambi, Indonesia. We can ignore the viewport and the user location in this case and continue to rate this task. The top level question is there a navigational result for this query? There is only one port of Jambi. We will rate it as yes. Result number 1 is Jambipur. which is located 1,000 kilometers from the viewport. Since the query is clearly for port of Jambi, Jambipur does not satisfy the user intent. It seems like a spell correction, but since there is an exact match available to the query, we don't expect spell corrections here. So this result does not satisfy the user intent. Jambipur should be rated as bad due to the user intent issue. Again, the comment would be something like the query is for a specific POI, Port of Jambi, and the result is a city in Uttar Pradesh which does not satisfy the user intent and rated as bad. We can continue to the next task. Here the query is hotels. Viewport age is fresh. User is located outside the fresh viewport, which means viewport location becomes the location intent, and the results are expected in or around the fresh viewport. So the first step would be to find if there are any real world results available inside the fresh viewport. Let's copy the coordinates of the viewport, paste it in the map applications, search nearby hotels. As we can see, there are so many results available around the viewport location. These all results are inside the viewport. Now we understand there are so many results available inside the fresh viewport, and the results outside the fresh viewport should not be considered excellent and should be demoted for distance. So the result number one, hotel at TMS Residency, this is located outside the fresh viewport. There are so many results inside the fresh viewport. This result should be rated as bad. It is not expected. So the relevance would be rated as bad due to the distance and prominence issue, since it is located outside the fresh viewport. If there would have been one or two results inside the fresh viewport, this result could have been rated as good. But there are so many results inside the fresh viewport, we should rate this as bad. Now we can continue to rate the name accuracy for this result. Let's copy the name and see. This is the official website of this result. Hotel TMS Residency. The name accuracy is correct. The category is hotel, which is also correct. Since the name matches with the official website and the classification is also correct, we will rate the name accuracy as correct. Now we can continue to rate the address accuracy. Address here is 223 Block B, Palam Extension, New Delhi. Let's see. Here the address is B71, third floor, Palam Extension, Part 1, Sector 7, Dwarka, Delhi. This is B771, and here it is 223. Palam Extension, the sublocality is correct here. However, the sublocality 1, which is Dwarka, is not listed, is missing in the address. So the address has multiple issues. First is the unit number 223. Here it is 171, which is incorrect. Sublocality Dwarka is missing here, and the postal code is 110075, while it is 110077 here. So the postal code also seems to be incorrect. We will rate the address accuracy as incorrect, and we will select the respective components, which is unit number 223. It is not 223, it is 171, and the sublocality is missing, Dwarka, sector 7. So we will select sublocality checkbox as well, and the postal code is incorrect. We'll select the postal code. Now let's continue to rate the pin accuracy for this result. Let's see where the pin is dropping. Okay, we can't see Hotel TMS Residency around the pin location. Anyways, let's find out where the rooftop of Hotel TMS Residency is located. Let's see if we can spot the building. We can see the hotel building here. So this is the correct rooftop of this business. Let's see what location it has in try rating. As we can see in try rating, the location is something else and it's not falling on the correct rooftop. The pin accuracy should be rated as wrong. Because it's not falling on the correct rooftop. We rate the pin as wrong. Now in this we have rated the relevance as bad because of the distance issues. Address is rated as incorrect and pin is rated as wrong. So we have to leave comment for relevance, address and pin. So the comment should be something like there are many real world results available inside FreshViewPort. Since this result is located outside, it should be due to the distance. Address has missing incorrect and missing components. The correct address should be according to the official website. We should leave the link of official website here. Since we have rated the pin as wrong, we have to submit the correct pin coordinates. Correct pin. So this is how we will rate this result and leave the comments for every component that we have demoted. The similar way we can rate the other results in this task. These all results will be rated as bad because these are located outside the FreshViewPort and there are so many real world results available inside the FreshViewPort. We will rate the name, address and pin accuracy in the similar manner for all these results.